Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Lunar Classic Technical Analysis 101. So today is Monday and the new week is off, and I just want to see at the new week right now at the moment, and let's see what the new week has brought. So the new week is pretty awesome if you ask me, okay? The new week doesn't show any negative sign, and we can we can rely on the weekly time because what you're looking right now is at three white soldiers, so three green candles back to back. They form three white soldiers. So that's actually very bullish, and it actually means that the prices are going to continue higher and higher. So it would be an amazing scenario if we make a weekly bull flag like this, try to come a little bit down, make a flag, break the flag, and then from there to there it's a huge rally to the upside if you make a flag on the weekly all the way to, like, holy hell, man, this is crazy. That from there to there you might be looking for 300% move to the upside, which is actually possible. Lunar Classic after that crash does own us that much. So at the moment, let's talk about the biggest elephant in the room. So right now I'm looking at something which is really, really amazing, really, really awesome. I don't know if you noticed this, but I do see at a nice, beautiful, picture perfect falling wedge. Okay, so this was support here, went up, resistance there, came down, support here, went up, resistance right there, came down, support, went up, resistance. Now this can offer you fantastic entry in the next 24 hours. In the next 24 hours you can get really, really amazing entry if you do it right. Okay, if there's no wick game to the downside, this coin does love to make wick, but if it actually turns out to be a little bit merciful and doesn't make any stupid wicks anymore, you're looking for an opportunity to make nearly from there to there. That can actually be 50% money. Okay, that's a lot of crazy profit. Okay, 50% is huge. Okay, now at the moment, let's try to see what kind of hints we can get. So today at the morning time, I was looking at it. There was this little bit of a morning star that was being made, but I just noticed that this morning star didn't make sense because it actually was closing near this resistance line. So I was like, yeah, this has to go down a little bit. Now my preferable scenario is that it makes a fake breakout, like a wick to the downside, and then comes back up very quickly and then goes up. Like, take all the stop losses, everybody's stop loss, make a big wick and then go to the upside. That's something that it can do actually. Okay, and it loves to make wicks, it loves to do that. So that's the 4-hour falling wedge. Let's look at it on a 1-hour time frame at the moment. So on the 1-hour time frame, this is what I'm looking at. Okay, you do have a bear flag inside the falling wedge, which is not a bad thing. Okay, so from there to there, this is also expected, guys. So what I'm looking for is a price drop from here to here, and we might be looking for USDC to basically drop all the way down from there to there. Yeah, and we're looking for a price level to come down to 38,192. So that's gonna be a fall of nearly from there to there 6% move to the downside. But keep in mind, that's exactly what we want. This is exactly what we want, and we want to see that one happening. So it drops down to 31,092, which is actually near the support level, and then bounces back up very quickly, breaks out, and then flies all the way back to the all-time high recently that you just made right there, which is the technical target out of this falling wedge, and then you go back up all the way to this level. So this can actually offer you an amazing entry opportunity if you ask me. This could be an amazing. I'm gonna look to be trading this on my signals in the Discord as well. The link is in the description of the video. So this one's gonna be down here, consolidate a little bit, break out, and then boom, try to move up. Of course, you don't want to bottom fish. You want to wait for those wicks and consolidation a little bit, 2, 3 more, 4 more candles. You're gonna wait. Don't let it come down here and start buying all of a sudden. It will be better because that's really aggressive kind of entry. You might want to wait for consolidation. And what I mean is that sometimes they make wick like this and then you enter, wicks like this you enter. You want to wait for maybe a little bit of consolidation like this and then enter when it's a little bit safe after the wicks have played out. Because if you just enter all of a sudden, you can end up being your stock can be taken out because of the wicks as well. And that's pretty much it for this Lunar Classic update. Let's see what happens. That's pretty amazing pattern right here, something that I don't think I'm gonna miss. And that's pretty much it for the update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.